Hello. Today we have brought for you a detailed daily horoscope for 17th January 2025. Know how today is going to be for you based on the movement and position of the planets. Note that this information has been compiled from the internet and our channel does not claim its complete veracity. Aries, today will be full of new opportunities for you. Your hard work and dedication will be recognized in the workplace. If you are working on a project, then the time has come to complete it. There are signs of monetary gain, but it is necessary to control expenses. You will get a chance to spend happy time in family life. A plan to travel can be made, which will prove beneficial. Be cautious about health. Especially pay attention to headaches or eye-related problems. Taurus, your confidence will increase and you will be able to do even the toughest tasks easily. If you are thinking of investing in business, then today is an auspicious day. Employed people are likely to get promotion or salary hike. Spending time with family will give mental peace. An old friend may contact you. The day will be normal in terms of health, but avoid fried foods. Gemini, today you will be full of new energy and enthusiasm. People will be impressed by your eloquence and wisdom. There are chances of progress in job and business. If you are preparing for an interview or exam, then success is assured. There may be some differences in the family, but you will resolve it with your wisdom. Sweetness will remain in love relationships. In terms of health, take care of regular exercise and diet. Cancer, today can be a bit challenging. Support from colleagues will be expected in the workplace. There may be a delay in a project, due to which you may be a little worried. Take blessings of elders in the family, this will give positive energy. Be cautious in money-related matters, take expert advice before taking any major decision. Include yoga and meditation in your daily routine in terms of health. Leo, today your confidence will be at its peak. You will get the fruits of your hard work in the workplace and higher officials will praise you. If you are associated with any business, then there is a possibility of new deals. You may plan to visit a religious place with your family. Spending time with friends will give you relief from stress. You may feel a little tired in terms of health, but there will be no serious problem. Virgo, today you will be ready to fulfill your plans and goals. Your suggestions will be given importance in the workplace. Students will get the fruits of their hard work. The financial situation will be strong and there is a possibility of getting benefits from old investments. Spending time with someone in the family will strengthen the relationship. The day is good for health, but take care of your diet. Libra, today will be a positive day for you. Any old problem may end. There are chances of change in job, which will prove beneficial for you. There is a possibility of financial gain. Relationships with family will be strong and mutual coordination will be better. If you are doing any creative work, then you will get success in it. Be cautious about health and protect yourself from cold. Scorpio, today is the day to be a little careful. Avoid any kind of dispute and choose your words wisely. Maintain coordination with colleagues in the workplace. Do not be hasty in money-related matters. There may be some tension in family life, but you can handle the situation with patience and understanding. In terms of health, old diseases may emerge. Consult a doctor on time. Sagittarius, today will be an auspicious day for you. You will be full of energy and confidence. You will get success in job and business. The day is favorable for starting a new project. There will be an atmosphere of happiness in the family. There may be a possibility of travel, which will be beneficial and enjoyable. The day is good in terms of health, but do not forget to rest. Capricorn, today you will get the fruits of your hard work. You will be recognized in the workplace and people will appreciate your work. The day is good in financial matters and you can get benefits from old investments. There will be harmony in family life. Love relationships will deepen. Health will be normal, but avoid overwork and give rest to your body. Aquarius, today will be a mixed day. You may get new opportunities in the workplace, but you will have to work with patience and hard work. Be cautious in financial matters and avoid unnecessary expenses. Spending time with family will strengthen relationships. For mental peace, include meditation and yoga in your daily routine. Take care of your health and keep yourself full of positive energy. Pisces, today is your day to spend with family and friends. You may get new responsibilities in the workplace, which you will fulfill with full dedication. The financial situation will be strong and there are chances of monetary gains. The day is favorable for students. The day is good in terms of health, but avoid mental stress. Disclaimer: this horoscope is presented on the basis of information obtained from the internet. Our channel does not claim its complete veracity. If you liked a detailed horoscope, then like it, share it and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a good day everyone.